All right, YouTube, this video we're going to cut a key to a 2024 Kawasaki 636. It's Kawasaki's high security keyway. There's the ignition right there. If you want to see this lock getting leashed and decoded, check out the previous video, number 589, which I'll also link. So that video we picked and decoded it. There's what our decode is, the A track and the B track. And kind of an interesting leash. Definitely, if you haven't seen this leash, check out the last video. It is kind of a neat one. As far as cutting this key, the key machine has this called the Kawasaki KLR for some reason. So we're going to go ahead and just hit go Vehicle, Asia, K for Kawasaki, KLR, after 2020. And it's just telling us to use jaw B and that it's a shoulder stop key. So go ahead and insert or do my bidding on it here. We got on the A track 1 2 3 1. 1 2 3 1, and then on the B track we got 1 1 2. All right, and I'm just going to do secondary processing, and we'll go down here, and my key machine here, this one, I've got two of these. This one's having some problems, which is why it's in the house and not in my van. So it sounds like crap, but it does work here. So I'll go ahead and just speed this up there because it takes a minute to cut these things. And here we go. All right, so we got the first side cut. Go ahead and we'll brush all the chips off here. Off the clamp. And I will cut the other side. And of course, same bidding on both sides. All right, so there's both sides cut. I'm going to get the chips off of it here. And go ahead and we'll grab the lock and we'll test it out here and make sure that it works. All right, so there's our ignition. Key in. And perfect. And even we'll lock the handlebar lock. Drawing a blank on that here. So perfect. So there's a new Kawasaki, I guess they're calling it the KLR keyway. It's cutting it on a Condor Dolphin 2. Questions or comments, I'll put them in the comments. And once again here, click the video floating on the screen to check out this lock actually being leashed. And that's all we got for now here. We'll talk to everybody later.